Welcome to Math Class children. We were discussing quadrilaterals. We completed 5 sums in exercise 8.1. We'll move on to the 6th sum. Yes. 6th one. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A. Show that it bisects angle C also. And second one, ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, children. See, AC is a diagonal and ABCD is a parallelogram. You know the properties of parallelogram, right? And they have given it bisects angle A. Already it is given. So these two are equal. Two angles are equal, and you have to prove the C also. It is bisecting the angle C also, and ABCD is a rhombus. Let us see how to prove that. You know the properties of both rhombus and parallelogram, right? 8.1 6th sum. Your figure is A, B, C, D. It is a parallelogram, and AC is diagonal, and they have given these two are equal. Yes, write what is given, children. Given ABCD is a parallelogram, and angle, how will you write this angle? See, angle CAB, right? Angle CAB, that is equal to angle ADC or CAD, angle DAC. See, these two are equal. To prove, what you are going to prove? These two angles are equal. See, angle C is equal to this angle. These two are equal. How will you write that? Angle DCA is equal to angle ACB. You are going to prove this, children? Yes. See, since ABCD is a parallelogram, diagonal AC bisects angle A, right? See, AC is bisecting the angle A. See, these two are equal. Equal agi divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay? And this implies DAC is equal to angle CAB. It is given in the question, right? And see, we need these two angles, right? No, children, already it is given parallelogram, alva? So parallelogram antaga ನಾವು ಏನು consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You know the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, right? AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD, right? So if you consider CD and AB, see, it is like, see, Z shape, alva? See which angles these are? You know, these two are alternate angles. CD and AB is a AB or parallel line, and here consider CA. See, it is like transversal. Okay. So what can you write here? Angle DAC is equal to angle DAC. See, this angle is equal to, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ BCA. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು Z shape angles, right? No, so this is one pair, right? ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, CAB ಬರುತ್ತೆ. See, angle, I will write this, angle DCA is equal to, ಈ angle ಬರ್ದಿನಿ. Now I am going to write this angle, angle CAB. Which angles these are? Alternate angles. Okay, so now I will write another pair of alternate angles. Those are see, angle C ಮತ್ತೆ angle A ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ. Now we are going to write these two angles. Okay, so how will you write this? Angle DAC, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, angle CAB. Sorry, B, this one, BCA, angle BCA. These are also alternate angles. Alternate angles. Artha aita? See, E angle I will show you in another color. See, C is equal to angle A. These two are one pair of alternate angles, and C is equal to angle CAD or ADC. These two are one pair of alternate angles. Okay, children, those are equal. Call it equation number 1. See, call this equation number 1. DAC is equal to CAB. It is 1, it is 2, and it is 3. Listen once again, I will tell you. Angle DAC is equal to angle CAB. See, we have written these two blue ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು angles equal ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು these two are equal. I have written in equation number 1. And the second one, alternate angles ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. DAC green color ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, angle DAC is equal to angle BCA. green color ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, so those are pair of alternate angles are equal. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು equation 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Next one I have written in, I have marked in red color, right? DCA, DCA. Red al mark ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು angle DCA is equal to angle CAB. Understood children? See, we have 3 pairs of angles here. Okay, 3 equations ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. See, from 1 and from 1 to 3, what can you say? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, see, these red and green and should be also equal, ಅಲ್ವಾ? Red, green and blue, these two are equal. Angle A is equal to angle A. So if this green ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, angle CDA, green ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So we can say, I'll write in another equation. See, from 1 to 3, what can you say? 1, 2, and 3 equation. So we can write A, B, C, D. A equal, then these two are alternate angles, and these two are alternate angle. So we have 3 pairs here, right? So we can say angle BCA, angle BCA is equal to angle DCA, BCA is equal to, see, these two are equal. Okay, children. This implies. ನೀವು equation ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನಾನು once again I will write here. DAC is equal to BCA. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆರಡು equal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ CAB and BCA. See, these two are equal. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? DAC ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. So these two are equal. See, I'll give you 1, 2, 3 children. So we can write. And what is third equation? DCA is equal to CAB. See, here we have CAB. Alva? See, these two are equal. If these two are equal, no, CAB is equal to CAB. DCA is equal to CAB. That means all the angles are here equal here. Artha agta idea? See, I can write angle BCA is equal to DCA. This implies AC bisects angle C. Okay, children. See, itara ella equal ide alva. I'll once again I'll write here. See, DAC is equal to CAB. Right? Here CAB is equal to again enide DCA ide. Okay? That means these two are equal. Right? Then DCA is equal to CAB aito. So CAB is equal and DAC is equal to BCA and CAB is equal to DCA. Okay? DAC is equal to DCA. And here, see, DAC is equal to CAB there. So it is also come to here right now. So children, you can write all the angles here. All angles are equal. DAC is equal to CAB is equal to then inyadide DCA alva. DCA innel bandide namge CAB bardidevi. Then DAC is equal to CAB aito BCA. Okay, children. See, all the angles are equal. So we have written here BCA is equal to DCA. Artha aita? So all are equal here. So we can write AC bisects angle C. This is first one. Now we are going to prove second one. Second one, you have to prove ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. You know, rhombus is nothing but all the sides should be equal. Now we are going to prove all the sides are equal. Here already we know opposite sides are equal. Anta. Now we are going to show all the angles are, sorry, all the sides are equal. So using, see, if angles are equal, you know that opposite sides are also equal, right? By using equation 1 and 2. See what we have in equation 1 and 2. CAB is equal to BCA ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. CAB is equal to BCA. See, these two are equal. ಇದೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? BC. ರೈಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? BC. BCA. BCA ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? It is AB. Understood, children? So you can write sides opposite to equal angles or equal. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, angles are equal ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. So opposite sides are also equal ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Angle A ಗೆ opposite side BC, C ಗೆ opposite side is AB. So we can write BC is equal to AB. And also BC, which is opposite to BC, that is AD, alva, because it is a parallelogram. We know that, right? Then AB is equal to which one? CD. Right, children? See here, notice AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD, and here we have written BC is equal to AB. These two are equal anta navu prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So that means and BC is equal to AD alva, ಇದೆರಡು equal ಆಗಿದೆ. So ಇದೆರಡು equal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ these two are also equal. AB is equal to AD. So we can say there, hence, which implies AB is equal to, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? BC is equal to AB ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ. So AB is equal to these two are equal, and these two are equal, and opposite sides equal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So all the sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Okay, by taking the angles, we have proved all the sides are equal. Hence, ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Understood, children? We'll go for the next one. 7th. They have given a rhombus. Yes. A, C, B, D. It is O. What is the question? Write given, children. What is given in the figure? ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that to prove. What you are going to prove? Diagonal AC bisects angle A and angle C. BD bisects angle B and angle D. Yes, that's it, children. See, this is your rhombus. AC and BD are the two diagonals. Now you are going to prove these two angles are equal and these two are equal. ಇದೆರಡು equal ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, and here you have to prove these two are equal. Bisecting ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? AC bisects the angle A and also angle C. And BD bisects, these two are equal and these two are equal. Yes. Solution. We know that, right, AB, all the, what is rhombus? In rhombus, all the sides are equal. I'm writing that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. You know that property, right? And O is point of intersection. Right now, both the diagonals are intersecting at the point O. So we know that AO is equal to OC. AOA is equal to OC and also OB is equal to OD. Those are equal. See, we need these two angles alva. ನಮಗೆ ಈ two angles ನಾವು prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ triangles ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕೀಗ? ಯಾವ two triangles ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ನಮಗೆ ಇದು two angles ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. We are going to prove these two are equal ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Triangle AOD and AOB. See these two triangles. We are taking these two triangles, children. To prove these two, ಇದೆರಡು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆರಡು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿ ನಾನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ AOD and triangle AOB. See, now we are going to prove they are congruent triangles. So already we have written all the sides equal. Nodi. Oh, okay. Tell me what is which are equal here. That will be common. Which is common here? Yes. OA is equal to OA. It is common, right? Then which are equal? Yes, we can write these two are equal, right? AD, AB is equal to AD. Sides are equal. Rhombus alli ella sides equal irutte. So I have written AD is equal to, next in yaad barutte illi? Yes, just now we have written OD is equal to OB. OD is equal to OB. Right? It is also bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Alva? OB is equal to OD. And also you can take this angle, right? This is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree, right? So we have proved all the things already. Three things equal anta prove madidvi. This is side, side, side. So by SSS rule, we can say triangle AOD is congruent to and triangle AOB. Okay, children. So which implies, see, if all are equal, what can you say? Yes, these two are equal. Angle OAD. ನೋಡಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So directly you can write angle AOD is equal to angle OAB by CP/CT. ಈ two angles equal ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, children. This implies OA or AC. OA bisects angle A. This is your first one. And similarly, children, for second one also, you had to prove AC, BD. This is O. by taking these two triangles. Now we are going to prove this one. See here also in triangle COD and triangle COB. Okay, now which are equal here? Which is common here? OC is equal to OC, that is common, and CD is equal to CB, right? Then OD is equal to OB. Here also by SS, same thing what I have done for the first one, same thing we are doing here also, children. See, common side, OC is common side, CD and CB are equal sides, and diagonals bisect each other. OD is equal to OB. By SS rule, we can say triangle COD is congruent to triangle COB. And by CPCT, what will you write? Yes, angle OCD is equal to angle BCO or OCB by CPCT. This is your second question. This implies OC, this is OC, alva? OC bisects angle C. Now we are going to prove third one. ACBD. Now you had to prove BD bisects the angle B and D. Okay, children. Now from 1 and 2, what we have proved in 1 and 2, AC bisects, so it is over. And now take the two triangles. So now we are going to prove these two, right? Take in triangle, for this we are taking these two, AOB and triangle BOC. We are taking these two, 1 and 2. ಇದೆರಡು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆಗಲೇ ಇದೆರಡು ಆಯ್ತು. Now we are taking these two and upper two angles. Now which is common here? Common ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? OB is common. Write that OB is equal to OB. Then these two are equal. CB is equal to AB because two sides, all the sides are equal. We have written that. Then OC is equal to OA is equal to OC. Diagonal bisects each other. So by SSS, we can say triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC. So we can say in madbadu angle OBA is equal to angle OBC by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Okay. So idanna namu prove madidvi. In the same way, children, take 3 and 4, these two triangles which is common here. AD is equal to AD, that is common, and these two are equal, right? AD is equal to CD. Idu 2 equal anta bardidvi. Next, OA is equal to OC. So all by SS rule, these two are congruent triangle. We can write angle ODA or ADO is equal to angle ODC. That means BD for both. BD, diagonal BD bisect angle B and angle D. Understood, children? See, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸಿಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಈ 2 ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಪಕ್ಕ ಪಕ್ಕ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೋ ತರ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 8th one. They have given a rectangle. Rectangle A, B, C, D. Join AC. 2 diagonals are given. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's write what is given. ABCD is a rectangle. AC bisects angle A and angle C. It is given already, and you have to show that first one, ABCD is a square. Second one, BD bisects angle B and angle D. So we are going to prove this also. That is in second one. Let us see the first one. Solution. They have given ABCD is a rectangle. You know the properties of rectangle. Just ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್? ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. AB is equal to CD and CB is equal to AD or BC is equal to CD. AD. Okay, opposite sides are equal. We have written that. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? All measures 90 degree. Angle A is equal to, each angle ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 90 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Angle A is equal to, angle B is equal to, angle C, angle D is equal to 90 degree. Okay children, now we are going to prove. So now we write this. Now take these two triangles now. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Okay, take these two triangles. ಇದೆರಡು ನಾವು triangles ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ because now we are going to prove all the sides are equal ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Already it is given these two are equal. ಇದೆರಡು equal ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ already ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so opposite angles ಗೆ sides ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು prove ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So take two triangles ABC and ADC. They have given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Right children? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. It is given. Okay, already it is given in the question. Given ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. AC bisect A and C ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, and which is common here? ನೋಡಿ, two angles equal ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Which is equal here? Which is common here? AC is equal to AC. ಅಲ್ವಾ? See, ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 ಇದೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಇನ್ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, AC is common for both the triangle. It is common side. Right children? So we have proved three things. Two angles prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Two angles and one side. ಅಲ್ವಾ? See, by ASA. By ASA we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. See, we have proved they are congruent triangle by CPCT. ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನೀವು? Yes. ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕೀಗ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟೂ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ AD is equal to AB ಬರಿಬೋದ ನಾವು? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ AB and ACC ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಬೈ CPCT ರೈಟ್ AD is equal to AB. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? See, and we have written here all the sides are equal, right? Opposite sides are equal ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ. AB is equal to CD. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ? AB is equal to AD ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? AB is equal to CD. So CD is equal to AD. AD is equal to CB. So all the sides ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನಾವ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದು 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ 10 ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 10. So now all the sides are equal. Okay children, so which implies AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. So hence it is all the sides are equal, it is a square. Artha aita? In the second one, AB, CD. So in previous one they have given A and C bisecting angle anta avaru kottidru. Neev ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ? BD is bisecting the angle B and D ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay children. Now take the triangles. So which triangle ಇದೆರಡು prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Take the two triangle. We have only two triangles here. In triangle ABD and triangle BCD or BDC. Take these two triangles. Right, what are equal here? Now already ಏನೇನ್ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? See, already we have proved all the sides are equal ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So tell me first, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು equal ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? We can write which is common here. BD is equal to BD. That is common side. Next, AB is equal to BC. So we have proved in equation number. We have proved in equation right now. Previous one we have proved in equation ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. AB is equal to BC. Next, AD is equal to. So AD is equal to ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ನೀವು? DC. See, SSS, we can say by SSS rule, we can say these two are congruent triangles. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BDC. By CPCT, ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು? by CPCT ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀವಿ. All the sides are equal ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So opposite angles are also equal. So you can say angle ABD is equal to angle ABD. ಈ angle ಯಾವ್ದು equal ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಈ angle equal ಅಂತ ನಾವು prove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. So write angle CBD by CPCT. Then once again, which one you are going to prove? ಈ ಎರಡು angles ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So write angle ADB is equal to angle BDC by CPCT. See, all the sides are equal, alva? So all the angles are also equal. So now CPCT in the prove ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Okay, children, I think all of you understood. And we can write BD bisects bisect the angle B as well as angle D. Yes, we'll go for the next one. Yes, ninth one. In parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP is equal to BQ. Show that triangle APD and triangle CQB are congruent triangles. AP is equal to CQ, triangle AQB and triangle CPD are congruent triangles. AQ is equal to CP, and the last one APCQ is a parallelogram. See, they have given figure here, children. See, by seeing the figure, you had to prove all these things. I will draw a figure. This is ninth one. This ABCD is a parallelogram. You have to draw a parallelogram ABCD. And they have taken BD diagonal. Take 2 points on BD and join the points with A and C. Yes. Take 2 points. This is point P and point Q. Right, first what is given, children? Given ABCD is a parallelogram. And also given DP is equal to BQ. See, these two are equal. It is given in the question, and show that you are going to prove first one, triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB. Let us see the first one. We have 5 sub questions in this. We'll solve the first one. Now we are going to prove, take these two triangles. In triangle APD and triangle CQB. See what they have given the triangle. Say I'm taking the same triangle APD. APD. I'll show you that. APD. Yes. And CQB, which is CQB? CQB. Yes. These two triangles are congruent anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. You know that. See, already we know what are the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Right, children? Yes, right. Write AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal. ಎಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಿ ಸಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಇದೆರಡು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಿ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಸಿ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಡಿ. ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್? ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. Okay, children. Then, see, it is a parallelogram. If you take BD as a transversal, not only BD as a transversal, the BD transversal, see your figure is like this. AD, ee tara ide nimge figure, alva? This is AD and this is BC. See, AD, E angle is equal to B angle anta bariboda. Nodi illi, angle D is equal to angle B. Can you write like this? Yes, yeah, I'm writing this. ADB. Which angles are this? Alternate angles. Angle ADP. Yeah, we have taken only this, so I'm writing ADP. Angle ADP is equal to angle QBC. ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, D ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ, QBC. Right? Alternate angles. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? See, these two sides are equal. Next, alternate angles are equal ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ADP is equal to QBC. Those are alternate angle. Then ADB is equal to DB. And also for this you can write ADB is equal to DBC. Alternate angles. Okay, children. And we have proved these two are equal. Right? ಇದೆರಡು ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್? ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಬಿ ಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ADP. Already we have written ADP. ADP is AD is equal to PCS. We have proved, I think, SSA. Okay. So, which implies, therefore, triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB by SAS. Okay, children. See, we have proved these two are congruent triangle. By CPCT, what can you say? Can we say AP is equal to in ಯಾವ್ದು equal prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? These two sides already prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. We can say AP is equal to CQ, right? Once again, I'll draw the figure. Parallelogram A, B, C, D. And I have taken 2 points on the diagonal. Join that. Right? So now we have proved BD is equal to, this is Q, this is P, right? These two are equal. These two are equal. And now we have proved these two sides are equal, right? AP is equal to QC or CQ by CP/CT. This is your second one. And now we are going to third one. You had to prove triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. Okay, which are the triangles children? AQB. Ellide AQB. Nodi ee triangle. AQB. AQB and CPD is which are equal here. See, already opposite sides are equal. Bardu bidanna. AB opposite sides are equal. Adana bardbidi. Next nodi BQ is equal to PD. It is given. Alva BQ is equal to DP. It is given. Then which are equal here? ABQ. See, if these two are parallel lines, namagle ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. See, AB and CD are parallel lines. BD is a transversal. So we can write angle D is equal to ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Angle D is equal to angle B. Which angle? Alternate angles. ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? See, your figure is like this, children. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು angle D ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is angle B. Z shape angles ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Right? So write ABQ. Angle ABQ is equal to angle PDC. Those are alternate angles. So two sides ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು angle ಆಯ್ತು. So ABQ ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? ABD ಅಂತಾನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ABQ ನ ನಾನು ABD ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ PDC ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? Angle BDC. Okay children, those are alternate angles. Yes, we have proved two sides, one angle. By SAS, we can say triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. This is what third one, which is fourth one. You have to prove AQ is equal to CP. AQ CP baratta illi? Yes, AQ and CP. See, these are congruent triangles. You can write AQ is equal to CP by CPCT. Nodili, this is fourth one, children. By CPCT, you can write AQ is equal to CP. Agla ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? CQ is equal to AP ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ AQ is equal to CP ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ by CPCT. Okay children, are you understanding? This now 2 correct ಆಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, 2 triangles ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ APCQ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೈ CPCT ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ AQ is equal to CPR equal ಅಂತ CPCT ಹಾಕಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? And one more is that you have to prove APCQ. I will draw once again figure, children. AB, sorry, A, B, C, D. Join this Take 2 points. You have to prove APCQ is a parallelogram anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, this is fourth one. We had to prove APCQ is a parallelogram. Already we have proved ಏನೇನು prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಆಗಲೇ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. See, AP is equal to CQ ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? And AQ is equal to previous question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? AQ is equal to CP. AQCP ನೋಡಿ one line ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೆರಡು equal ಅಂತ. If I put two lines means these two are equal ಅಂತ. Okay, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್. Okay, see I have put only one line means these two are equal. If I put two lines, these two are equal. These two sides are equal ಅಂತ. Okay, see ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೇ ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? See, opposite sides are equal and parallel, so it is a parallelogram. That's right. Okay, children. Now write AP is equal to CQ. That is equation 2. Question number 2 only now we have proved AP is equal to CQ. Next, question 4 only now when prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ AQ is equal to, right, equation 4. Just now we have proved this. Alva AQ is equal to, so opposite sides are equal and parallel. Therefore, hence APCQ is a parallelogram. Okay children, it is very easy. Don't confuse. Just ನೀವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ 3 ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕೇ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 3 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬರದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ, ಐದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಸಿಪಿಸಿಟಿ sides are equal ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. If they ask angles are equal, ಯಾವ್ದೋ 2 angles are equal ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So by simplicity these 2 angles are equal ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay children, so it is very easy. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So you can solve easily. We'll go for the next one. Yes, 10th one. ABCD is a parallelogram and AP and CQ are perpendiculars from vertices A and C on diagonal. Diagonal BD. BD is a diagonal on BD. Show that. So 2 triangles are, see these 2 are triangles are congruent and the prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then AP is equal to CQ. See if you prove those are congruent and directly you can write by CPCT. Alva? It is very easy children. Okay, see here. See in triangle APB. Okay, this one APB and CQD. Okay, I will show you that. This is 10th one. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD and BD is a diagonal. These are perpendicular drawn to the diagonal. BD. Okay, this is P and this is Q. These are perpendiculars. It is given. Right, first what is given? Did you understand the question, children? What you are going to prove? These two are congruent anta ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು and AP perpendiculars are equal anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is given? ABCD is a parallelogram and AP is perpendicular to BD and CQ is perpendicular to BD. Right, perpendicular andre it is 90 degree alva. So one clue namge ಒಂದು equal anta bantu. You are going to prove first one. Prove triangle APB congruent to triangle CQD. Take these two triangles, children. APB and CQD. CQD. Okay. Okay, which are equal here? Since it is a parallelogram, right? We can write AB is equal to CD, right? Opposite sides are equal in parallelogram, right? See, one the prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ and AB is equal to AC and also these are perpendicular ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So AP, this one APB, angle APB is equal to angle CQD. So we are taking these two triangles. So nivi ee angle na barita idvi. APB is equal to CQD. That is equal to 90 degree because AP and CQ are perpendicular to BD. Okay, children. Then angle AC. What can you write here? Nodili. These two are parallel lines. Alva. BD is a transversal anta ankondre. Nodili. BD is a transversal AC. Which angles are here? Which angles are equal here? Angle ABP. This one. Angle ABP is equal to angle CDQ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಈ two angles ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, alternate angles. Okay, children. Angle B is equal to angle D. So angle ABP is equal to angle CDQ. Alternate angles. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ್ಯಾ? ನೋಡಿ angles ನ ಬರೀತಾವೆ. These two are parallel lines. CD and AB are parallel lines. BD is a transversal ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ D and B are equal. See, we have proved side, angle. See, by ASA rule, we can say triangle ABP is congruent to triangle CQD. What is your second question? You have to prove AP is equal to CQ. AP ಯಾವುದು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? See, AP and CQ. These two are equal ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Already we have proved this is 90 degree. These two angles are equal. ಅಲ್ವಾ? angles, two angles equal anta prove madidvi, plus one side equal anta prove madidvi. And you can write, see, angle B ಗೆ opposite ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? AP ಇದೆ. And D ಗೆ opposite side is CQ. You can write AP is equal to CQ by CPCT. Understood, children? It's very easy. Just we have proved these two are equal. Opposite sides and perpendicular angle. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ AP is equal to CQ means perpendiculars are equal by CPCT. Okay, children, I think all of you understood all the concept. Okay, don't worry, don't feel difficult. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಸಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. Thank you.